Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call no sound problem. So there are two ways to fix that. The first one is by clearing the cache files of WhatsApp. So you're gonna have to go to General, then simply go to iPhone Storage. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply look for WhatsApp, and then you're gonna have to simply offload the app. So after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go back, and from here what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to General again, and then you're gonna have to go and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone at the bottom. Then you're gonna have to tap on Reset and just reset the network settings, and that should fix your problem. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.